Hi everyone, I am extremely excited. This is Julie from Julie's Wig World and I have hair mail. My very first NORIKO wig ever. And it is Angelica and it is in the colour Creamy Toffee R. So let's see what we have in the box. Angelica's a really long wig with just a really standard cap, an extended nape, and open wefting. Very, very basic. So I'm going to pop her on and let's see what the box hair damage is. And here's Angelica straight out of the box, still with the tags on. And she's got this piece here that's definitely box hair. So I'll see what I can do with that. The rest of it's looking great just out of the box. Now let's see if I can bring her to life a little bit. So here's Angelica with the tags off, and all I did was pull that piece from there over to there and it settled down very easily. So here she is straight out of the box. I haven't combed her, I haven't given her a shake, I haven't done anything to her at all. It just put her straight on my head and she's looking like she's going to have a great deal of potential. And this is a budget wig, so I'm very happy with that. Nice movement and beautiful long hair. Have a close-up look at the colours there. This is all natural light here, there's no artificial lighting here at all. And I've noticed when I've played back the film that she's actually looking a lot more shiny on camera than what she does in real life. One thing I have noticed so far, but as I haven't combed her yet, it may not be a problem, but it's looking a little bit nesty up in here with the Permatease, so I'll give you a close-up look of that. And I'll see if I can fix that. To cover the nesty appearance of that Permatease, I've just combed the hair back from the middle of the head, but I think I might need to get in there with a little bit of low heat with the hairdryer and settle that Permatease down. I can feel it in here as well and I can still see it in there, but it is a brand new wig, so that may need to calm down. I'll be doing a full review on this wig and I'll let you know how I go with that Permatease, but really, she's a beautiful wig for the price. If you like a lot of hair, that's what you're going to get with Angelica. $360. So all I've done is loosened the fibres up from the cap. I've just given her a comb through, not a brush, just a comb through. And so far so good, but I'll work on her in the next few days and I'll put up a full review of that for you. Hope you've enjoyed this content. If you have, YouTube will have another video here for you. Thanks for coming to Julie's Wig World. Have a great day. And if you'd like to know what this wig is, it is Editor's Pick in the colour Shaded Biscuit.